a country interested in the light of knowledge, having inherited this spirit, we are Bharatiyas. Observe the names of ancient sites given in the map. These are found in the inscriptions of those days. Many names have changed, example, Magad Bihar, Kalinga Odisha, Chera Kerala, Indraprasth Delhi, Prayag Allahabad. But some of the names have remained the same even to this day. Example, Kashmir, Nepal, Kailas, Kurukshetra, Ayodhya, Kashi, Mathura. Place names change periodically, example, Madras, Chennai, Baroda, Vadodara, Bombay, Mumbai. The map is given in the beginning itself in order to introduce such a phenomenon of change of place names. European scholars discovered glory of India. Some English scholars were responsible for making the world know India's glory. Prominent among them was William Jones. He was the judge of the Supreme Court of India during British time. He was very intelligent. He learnt Sanskrit from scholars in Bengal. Jones remarked, "Vocabulary of Sanskrit language is wonderful." He established Asiatic Society, a scholars group to study Indian texts. This group edited Bhagavad Gita with English commentary by Jones and published it. This was the first Sanskrit work published with commentary in English. William Jones got other works like Shakuntala ready for publication. Later, French and German scholars continued the study of Indian culture. During this time, 50 Upanishads were translated into French and Persian languages. Contributions of Indians to mathematics. Ashokan edicts use numbers profusely. These are 2,300 years old. European nations did not know numerals even 1,000 years later. Numerals, decimals, fractions and algebra are contributions of ancient India. The credit of using zero as a numeral for the first time goes to Indians. Calculations became easy after zero was invented. Earth is round, Earth goes round the sun. This is stated by Aryabhatta, the Indian astronomer, and also Hypatia, an ancient Greek scientist. 10 centuries later, Copernicus is credited with the above discoveries in modern times. Indians prepared longitudinal maps for sailors at Ujjain. Vasco da Gama, the Portuguese sailor, traced his route to west coast of India using such maps in 15th century. Some more Indian contributions. Asterisk, the famous Pythagoras theorem was known to Bodhayana centuries earlier. Times the indivisible unit of matter is called atom, Anu. This was stated by an Indian sage, Kannada. The lesson on atom in Russia starts with the mention of Kannada. Times Indians knew the manufacture of steel in ancient time. Asterisk, Indians were foremost in building ships. Surat in Gujarat was well-known place for shipbuilding. After Indians identified the monsoon winds, navigation picked up speed in Europe. Times aeronautics, yoga and Sanskrit are Indian contributions.